All right, guys, we just got to our second job, December 22nd. We're in Alpharetta, Georgia. I did come out here and do a paid consultation last week. We're just going to be cleaning the floors and putting down a wear layer protection. So let me show you what we got going. All right, guys, so this is the home we're going to be doing. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is just cleaning these floors. I think just another one they just want to clean for the holidays. But eventually this floor is going to need a screen and recoat. And I did let the client know that. So he just didn't want to go through all the furniture moving right now. So we're going to be doing this masters, this foyer area, this dining room. Just going to do the high traffic areas around the piano. Dining room, we'll just set the chairs up all through here. This whole area right here, going around this kitchen island. But again, guys, these floors are missing a lot of finish, a lot of deep gouges and scuff marks, so they are going to need a screen or recoat in the future. All right, guys, we're going to get started. Stay tuned.
Yeah. Holiday lights in the window. Floor still shine. Let's go. They found me online, now the floors feel brand new. Clean and recondition, yeah, we do what we do. Didn't move the couch, didn't clear the whole room. Holiday ready, let that wood flow bloom. Pulled up to Alpharetta, Georgia, quiet street, nice scene. Hardwood, talking history, needed love in between. Client said I needed fresh, but I can't shut it all down. I said relax, we got a process, watch the magic go down. Sax playing softly while the buffer glide. Furniture still standing, yeah, we working inside. No dust in the air, no mess on the walls. Just a deep clean glow, made the whole house applaud. They found me online, now the floors feel brand new. Clean and recondition, yeah, we do what we do. Yeah, to do what we do. Didn't move the couch, didn't clear the whole room. Holiday ready, let that wood flow bloom. Oh, is that classic work? Upscale touch, not a full refinish, but it still say looks bringing life back. Without the heavy delay, same home, same day, just a brighter display. 90 drum knock, let the rhythm talk. Sax cry smooth while the grain still walk. Every board shining like it got something to say. Thank you for the care, yeah, that flow feel paid. No moving out, no weeks of pain. Just a clean revival, let it breathe again. When the holidays come and the guests walk through, they gon' ask who did it, yeah, they'll point to you. They found me online, now the floors feel brand new. Now the floors feel brand new. Recondition, yeah, we do what we do. Yeah, we do what we do. Didn't move the couch, didn't clear the whole room. Didn't clear the whole room. Holiday ready, there wood floor bloom. Yeah, Alpharetta nights, floor shining right. Chairs in the air, everything tight. From online search to the final view. Clean recondition done right.
Wanna do it? Floors came out great. Look at that. Look good, don't it? Looks amazing. All right, guys. And guys, again, this is not a screen or recoat. This is just something quick, temporary, because I did tell the homeowner, David, the floors will need to be screen or recoated. He said they're going to be here for maybe 5 or 6 years. What we're doing is just putting the furniture back. And that product that you saw us putting down, that's just it's like a floor protector, okay? It just kind of protects and seals the floors. It's not a true polyurethane. So I did tell them, depending on the traffic, usually it lasts about 6 months to a year, but definitely something just to get them over through the holidays. They just want the floors to be spruced up. So as you can see, like the job we did, looks good. Thank you. Thank you. And just like the one we did this morning, again, it's just a cleaning. We did 2 last week. So this is the time we do most of our cleanings because, again, people just want the floors to look good when they have company over. So what we're going to do is just put some of the furniture back. And yeah, guys. All right. So tomorrow I do have 2 consultations. T is going to just do some stuff in the shop, and yeah, so and we'll be back at it. I know we got one next Monday. I think we got one Saturday. Got to look at the schedule. All right, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.
How did you actually get it out? I need to know.